Hey guys, welcome back. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. I'm doing it again, guys. Working on a Saturday, but we had some terrible rain yesterday, so I don't have much of a choice. So, townhomes. This one, the dryer's downstairs, but it goes all the way up through the roof. So I don't know. Let's go check it out. That's all we can do. All right, let's go check out behind the dryer. All right, so we'll be doing something about that, but I'm not getting any airflow up top. So let's go in the attic. What in the world is all this? Okay, so we just got a Y. So this way, and this one go to bath fans. This is the dryer vent. Well, what is this pipe? Haha, yeah, that's what it is. That pipe is supposed to be in there. Oops. So it wasn't even connected. They had some work done on the roofs, and most likely they knocked it free. So we're going to set up shop and connect that to that. Be right back. All right, so, well, it's hard to see up here. There's not much room. So there's no way around it. I've got to get a small piece of pipe because that's the reason why it fell. When they put the new damper on the roof, they didn't take into account the snout coming out of it. They just took the snout off. Well, that snout gives you that extra 2 to 3 inches to connect the duct. Since they don't have a snout, then we just said, okay, we're not going to mess with it. Can't do that. We'll be back. All right, so as you can see, just a small piece of metal. But again, we've got to connect this to this. And it's going to be a little bit long, but we're going to make it happen. All right, so as you can see, got my extension piece of metal in there. So tape it up. Yeah, when they put the new roof cap on, they just cut the snout of it off, which eliminated, you know, 3.5 inches out of the duct system, which makes sense of why it let it fall. Clean up your mess, guys. All right, so now, as you can see, it actually goes up into the damper the way it's supposed to, and it's solid, 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 solid. Now to clean it. Gotta love technology, man. This was gonna be a full video about cleaning a dryer vent. Well, evidently, my GoPro didn't want to keep the footage. So now it's a video about just figuring out why there's no airflow coming to the outside. So there's a little bit of knowledge here, but I know this won't get many views. But again, thank you guys for watching. Steve, Owl Metal Dryer Vent, owlmetaldryervent.com. Check it out, guys. Periscope's great. I'm sorry this video wasn't what it was supposed to be. However, more to come. Busy week. Thank you, guys.